Hi everyone, I ask Allah that you are fine. Today, inshallah, we will talk about new topic. We will talk about external structures and function of plants. External structures of the plants. They are most familiar with leaf, stem, root, and flower, and also two other familiar parts, bark and thorns, as you can see in the figure. They are parts that help the plant to grow, survive, and reproduce. Cuticle is waxy outer covering that helps limit the amount of water a plant loses. In desert, the plants have thick leaves with a smooth waxy cuticle for extra protection against water loss. While the water is good for the plant, it's the best to be taken by roots, not the leaves. The cuticle can't completely seal the plant. Leaf also stomata work to be sure that air can enter the plant. Plants need to prevent animals from eating them. Thorns are sharp, pointy structures on stem or leaves of the plant. Cactus contains a lot of water, and thirsty animals would want to eat it. So thorns at cactus help it to keep animals away, as you can see in the figure. Now, tell me, even though they are different, how are leaf cuticle and a thorn the same? Yes, very good. They both protect the plant. Types of stems. Some stems are green, some stems are ruddy. Scientists can classify or group stems according to their structures and functions. Tree trunks, for example, are covered in bark. This outside barrier protects the tree from harmful materials or organisms in its environment. The thick bark protects it from the fires that often happen in its environment. Look at the figure to see structures of flowering plants. Stamen is the male part of a flower that makes pollen. Pollen is the male reproductive cell. Petals have variety of colors, patterns, shapes, and odors that attract pollinators. Pistil contains a plant's female reproductive parts and receives pollen transferred from a stamen. Sepal protects the budding flower by wrapping around it. Can I ask you, how do you think petals protect the internal structures of a plant? Super. Petals protect the plant from wind. Look at the figure adaptations of flowers. Some kinds of flowers have developed colors, patterns, shapes, and odors that certain kinds of animals. These adaptations are important for making sure that the right kind of pollinator is attracted to the flower. For example, birds that take nectar from a flower need a flower structure that they can perch on. Look at the figure. You can see bee. Bee is very important pollinator of flowering plant. Bees are attracted to bright flower colors. Bees also are attracted to ultraviolet light, which we can't see. Flower colors and ultraviolet light often make patterns that direct bees to the location of nectar, like GPS. The milkweed seed pod explodes its seeds great distances. The female pine cone stores the seeds until they are ready to be dispersed. The light fluffy seeds easily blown by the wind. The coconut can float for long periods because its covering traps air. Thanks for listening. See you later, inshallah.